Alright, so our palak gravy is ready. I've used half of the amount. I'm heating it up on the side, and let's do the palak paneer. So first we are going to heat up some ghee in a cast iron pan. And what we're going to do, we're going to lightly fry the paneer. I have marinated the paneer with a little of salt. My pan is hot as well, so we're just going to fry the paneer. If you want to make like a paneer tikka, palak paneer tikka, you can do the same thing as well. All you have to do is cook the paneer in a tandoor or in an oven, just like our chicken tikka makhni we did. And then you can throw them straight in the gravy, or the palak gravy. Just be careful whenever cooking or frying paneer, because it contains some water and it is going to give up that water when you're going to fry it. Alright, as you see, the paneers have been cooking for some time. They're lightly colored as well, brownish, reddish. They've been cooked on all sides more or less, and now we'll remove them from the pan slowly. So we'll turn it off first, and then so our palak gravy is now heating up for some time. The spinach gravy is now heating up for some time. The paneer is ready, and now what we are going to do, a very simple task. We are going to pop in all the fried paneer inside the palak gravy. See, that's simple. And at this point you can check the seasoning of the palak gravy as well. Be careful not to mash the paneer. The paneer is heated up while frying, so we don't need much of cooking. All we need to check is the seasoning of the gravy, and then we finish off with some cream. And after adding some cream, we bring it to a boil first. The cream also improvises the green color of the gravy as well. Alright, so now we are going to plate the palak paneer. Some cream as a garnish. That's it. And a sprig of coriander if you have some. You can go creative with the garnish as well. You can use red capsicum or red bell pepper. You can use tomato julienne for kind of appealing garnish. So thank you for watching our video today. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and if you click the bell icon, you'll be the first one to be notified about the new videos. Thank you, and keep watching our channel.